welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about my hair because I changed my hair again. But I actually think I'm going to keep this color for a little while because I haven't been this happy with my hair color in a very long time. So in today's video I'm going to talk about the color. I'll actually show you the application process, and then at the end I'll talk about my haircut and my hair extensions. So if you're interested to learn more, definitely keep on watching. So right now my color is pretty fresh, so obviously I washed out the color when I did it, but I haven't re-washed my hair since because I really wanted to show you like the fresh color, like what it looks like. So overall my hair is this kind of really dark, really reddish brown, which I'm really loving, but it's not actually what I was going for, but I'm actually really happy with it. The only problem is my roots. So I'm very gray, and so gray is really hard to cover. Usually I can cover it pretty well, but this is like a new color combo, and so I thought it was gonna cover my gray 100%. It did not. So I have what you call like hot roots. I mean, it covered everything, it's just my roots came out a lot lighter than the rest. So there's that. I'll fix that in a few weeks. But overall, I'm really happy with the color. It's a very rich sort of color, so I'm really happy with it. So if you've watched my previous hair videos, a few months ago I was blonde, and then in August I went from blonde to brunette. Basically in that video I used a demi-permanent to go from blonde to brunette, and I was happy to be back to brunette, but my hair was not like a rich color. But then I got extensions, and so I just feel like with the extensions my hair color looked really nice. I really liked it. So my extensions were from Bombay Hair in the colors 4 and 6. So I had like a medium brown with some caramel highlights all throughout. I wanted to go slightly darker with my hair, and I wanted more of a uniform color. I didn't want highlights anymore. I just wanted like a solid color. And I wanted a very like reddish undertone, but more like copper. So I wanted to still be like a medium brown because I've been really dark with my hair before, and I feel like my hair tends to turn dark really easily. Yeah, I wanted just like a reddish copper undertone to my brown hair. So I actually got these hair colors right here. So from the brand Igor Hawaii. So this is a professional hair dye brand. I used to use Igor Hawaii in the past, but the packaging was red. But this line is actually different. It's the Royal Absolute. So this is a permanent anti-age color cream. So it's a permanent. Personally, I just find that permanent, the colors always turn out much richer. If you're blonde though, I would not recommend a permanent. We all know what happened to me when I use a permanent on my blonde hair. But yeah, when it comes to brown, I just feel like you're better with the permanent, in my opinion. I don't know. So yeah, I got this line, and I thought it was going to be great to be able to cover my gray. So gray is actually really hard to cover. I find I love a warm undertone in my hair, but I find I always need, if I was just to use like a warm tone on my roots would turn out like bright orange. So I usually have to mix like a neutral color mixed with a little bit of a warm to then, you know, have nice looking roots. So the girl working there told me that these colors were basically made out of a natural and then like the extra tone that you want. So I got two colors actually. So I got a 5. Now a level 5 is considered a light brown or a medium brown depending on the brand. For this brand it's considered a light brown, but a level 5 usually turns pretty dark. So it's a 5-70. So light brown copper natural. So it's a copper mixed with a natural. So I bought 2 tubes of that, and then I got 1 tube because I didn't want to go too dark. So I bought 1 tube of the level 6, which they consider a level 6 a dark blonde copper natural. So the same tone, but I have a level 5 and a level 6. On my bleached hair, it actually turned a bit more copper and more brown, but like on my extensions and like here where I have like, I used to have a darker root anyways, it turned out pretty dark, and it almost looks like a cherry sort of color. It actually looks really pretty, and I actually really like it. So yeah, I will fix the roots soon. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. I think I might buy like one of the 5 again. Ooh, the 570 mixed with just another 5 natural, a true 5 natural. Hopefully that's gonna cover my roots. But for the rest of my hair, I actually really like the way the color turned out. If you want a dark reddish, almost burgundy brown, I would for sure recommend these colors. I think like the color turned out beautiful on my hair extensions. As you can see, like my own hair is just a bit more red. The extensions almost turned out a bit more purpley, but when it's all in my hair, you actually can't really tell. But obviously I will redo this part in a couple weeks just so everything really blends. Overall, I'm really happy with the color. I feel like I mean, I'm pretty pale, but I just find that this color suits my skin tone really well. I feel like the best. Yesterday I didn't wear any makeup at all and I felt like I looked almost tan. I feel like this color looks natural enough, but it has like a pop, you know? So I'm really happy with it. At first I was really scared, almost disappointed. I didn't want my hair color to be, because I've been red, I've been purple. I really didn't want like a fashion color anymore. I wanted to look natural. Now this is not 100% natural. This is like a really dark, rich, almost like cherry color. I really like it. I'm really happy with it. I feel like it works with my complexion, my eyes, and the clothes I like to wear, which I wear a lot of black, but like if I wear color, I just feel like it's gonna go well with my hair. So I'm really happy with it. So for the ratio of how I did that, I first started by dyeing my hair extensions. So I used 2 parts of the 5 and 1 part of the 6. So that was kind of my plan. So that's the same thing I did for my roots. So for my roots, I use a 20 volume because when you want to cover gray, you need to use a 20 volume. But then for the rest of my hair and my extensions, I just use a 10 volume. And when you're using a permanent hair color, you have to do it on dry hair and you only use 1 part color, 1 part developer. So yeah, that was kind of how I did my color. So always 2 parts of the level 5, 1 part of the level 6. I'll leave the measurements down below, but yeah, you could obviously just use the level 5 or you could just use the level 6. I'm happy I mixed in a little bit of the 6 because I think it would have turned out even darker if it was just a 5. Okay, hi guys. So I have to do this sort of quickly because I already mixed my... Oh my gosh. I almost dropped this bowl. So right now I was just dyeing my hair extensions, and so I kind of have to do that quickly because I'm gonna have to go wash my extensions. So basically I didn't show you how I did that because I've done a few videos actually on how to dye, how to tone extensions, so I'll leave that below. I use the same exact colors, but I use a 10 volume developer. Now for my roots, I'm going to be using a 20 volume because I have a lot of gray. If you don't have gray to cover, I would not recommend you using a 20 volume because it's a bit harsher on the hair. And then I still have the color with my 10 volume to do the rest of my length. I cannot wait to do my roots, as you can probably imagine. Now the color looks super duper orange. Obviously it's not gonna go orange. Now usually I would recommend only applying the color directly like on your fresh roots, but since I'm sort of changing my color a little bit, my color like looks really faded anyways, so I will go down a little more. But next time I dye my hair, I'm not gonna go down too much, and I'm being very generous with the color, especially at the top, because I don't want to I want my gray to be covered really well. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a very small thin layer like that. I'm gonna do the same thing. Also, I'm not wearing any gloves. I'm ruining my nails, but anyways, I have to get them done. But yeah, I always forget to buy gloves, and so, but it's not bleached, so I feel like it's not as harsh. Anyways, I still do not use gloves when I was using bleach, but whatever.
You slammed the door, I would be the richest girl alive, if you hadn't run away. Every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't know me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that
leave my color on for like 45 minutes, like the roots. I think it's gonna be a pretty color. So the roots and stuff I leave for like 45 minutes since I am gray. And then yeah, I will wait like 15 minutes. I'm actually gonna go wash my hair extensions that I'm dyeing right now, and I will come back and I will dye the rest with the 10 volumes. So I feel like I don't know where to start. I really don't like dyeing like the ends of my hair. My roots is fine, like all the rest I just feel like it's a lot of work.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love hate.
Okay, so I'm just gonna stop recording because this is not even professional, and so I'm not gonna continue to show you that I'm done. I will wait like 15 minutes and I will go in the shower and wash everything, and I will actually add a bit of water and kind of blend everything all together. But for now I'm gonna go wash my hands. So yeah, hi guys, so it's the next morning. Now this is kind of funny because like a year ago I was in the same spot in this robe and I was crying. So today I'm not crying, but this is still not really what I was going for. And so as you can see, well, first of all, my hair is pretty dark, which I was sort of expecting, but I was hoping it was not going to be so dark, but you know, whatever. But my hair is red. This is not brown anymore. I mean, it is very dark, so I feel like you can't really see how red it is, but it's very red. It's like almost like a burgundy red, which I'm not hating the color. I feel like this is something I would have wanted to try it maybe in the future. It's just not what I wanted now. So I left that little clip in because I thought you could see my hair color really well in natural light. And yeah, at first I was quite shocked. I didn't really know how I felt about it, but I actually really like it. So now let's talk about my extensions. So I got my tape-ins put back in when I went to the salon 2 days ago, I think it was, and she was actually able to put way less in my hair because it actually cut my extensions a lot. So I will go out of focus for a minute, but I want to show you like the actual length of my hair. So my hair stops like right here, which I'm wearing a crop top, but my hair stops like here, which is still long. It's still longer than my hair, but my extensions before that, I got the 20 inches from Bombay Hair, and you know what? It was just way too long. I feel like I was just pretty much all hair, which was nice. It was exactly what I wanted at the time, but this is a lot more natural. Not that the other hair you could tell it was fake. It was just like a lot of hair, and it was just that. I was just a lot of hair. So yeah, I had the 20 inches, and the previous time I had a little over 3 packs of hair in my head, and I have tape-ins. Now this time I think I have just a little over 2 packs. So I mean, my other hair extensions were not uncomfortable, but I couldn't really do that a lot. I like to play with my hair a lot, and you know, I had like a tape right here, so I had to be a little careful. And then I had some around my ear and stuff, and now I don't have any, like all the way here I don't have anything, like here I don't have anything, but the hair I had before was exactly what I wanted at that time. But I'm so happy with my hair now because I have way less hair. And then the way she cut it, so I got my hair done by Ashley again. She's the one who did my hair last time as well, and it was at the Fernandino salon in Rideau Center in Ottawa, and I for sure recommend her. She did like the best haircut on me. I didn't want to cut my own hair because I'm trying to grow out my hair. So what she did, I showed her some inspo photos of me a couple years ago when my hair was blonde. I mean, it was kind of short, but not too short. So I showed her pictures of me, and I also showed her pictures of Kim. Recently, she has like lots of layers in her hair, so I showed her that. So I'll post those pictures here. But yeah, she basically just framed my face with these layers here. I still have these at the bottom, which... okay. Yeah, so she did some like face framing layers, but she didn't even cut. I mean, she did a little bit like my bangs, but she didn't have to cut like my actual hair, which I'm really happy. And yeah, she gave me some nice layers. So I can actually leave my hair like this. I can actually like straighten my hair and it's gonna look good. And then like she did some more layers like right here so everything blends really well. The fact that I don't have to have as many tapes in my hair, I just feel like it looks so much more natural. And this hair color makes the hair look super duper shiny. Even my own hair, this is all like where it was bleached and it's still damaged. I'm working on growing it out, but I just find that it looks so much shinier. But yeah, hopefully this video was helpful. So to all of you who wanted me to go darker, I hope this is dark enough because I'm not going darker than that, but yeah, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, any comments or anything, leave them below. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @ChloeZadori. And last thing, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make plenty more videos. I'll do more hair videos. I'll do some fashion videos. Makeup tutorial on this eye makeup is coming soon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you very soon in a new one. Bye!